Morning students, class 4, subject GK. I am your GK teacher Rajiv Kumar. Now here we will discuss about as a written point here. So according to one by one we will discuss as it. See and observe first of all my dear student. Yes, point first, class test, revision test, answer sheet. Okay, first of all, according to this, another second is here explanation of page 14 to 17. Now here we will discuss, my dear student, see and observe carefully. I hope do you understand. Yes, previously I had given you test paper, so now first of all see and observe. Next, yes, here contents of your related your book, see and observe. Another topic wise are here, see and observe. Now here first of all class test answer sheet, see and observe very carefully. Now here my dear student, yes, I hope all of you yes had written. Okay, so as it you will see in your test copy properly. See the observe the answer I will discuss here. First of all, first question, answer the following in one word. Answer is a part is A. What do you call a long seaway, okay, and cased under water earthquake? Yes, tsunami. Is that clear? Tsunami. Question number first B part. Once you check the airline decks, what should collected to board the flight? Boarding pass as it. Question number 2, write the true or false. Hurricane is a mass of snow fall. Avalanche is opening on earth's surface which is modern lava falls. Question number 3, match the following. A subpart is here, flood. Is that clear? See and observe. Another B part side, this is the A side. Okay, A part, another is B part is here. So B part side is, the answer is, yes, see and observe, flood. Yes, answer is, it happened. Okay, it happened when water overflow. Answer is floods. Okay, and B part, tsunami. Yes, a long high sea wave caused by underwater earthquake. Tsunami. Is that clear? Yes. Okay, I hope do you understand. Observe carefully. Okay, my dear student, see and observe. Okay, match the following. So you will write down in your copy and check properly. Already written their answer according to this. Okay, so both comment are here, and now opposite of the every comment each other. So now flood, it happened. Yes, when water overflow. Tsunami, a long high sea wave case under water earthquake. Is that correct? Is that clear? See and observe. Another question number 4. Okay, answer the following. Write any 6 name of sea animal. C according you already observe as you like. How do you understand? Yes, starting to end already helping list already written. So starting to end as you will prepare already, I hope. Do you understand? So had done. Okay, according you will write down another maybe, but now here as it first of all, yes, starting to end now. First is crab, another lobster, third mantari, and four same, and fifth clams. Is that clear? See, my dear student, observe another maybe, but now here according to, yes, starting to downside. Okay, I hope you understand. Another B. Okay, what is raw? a long period of time when there is no, yes, rainfall or water in a particular area. That is, yes, the answer is dot. Okay, that surface fully, yes. Now there are so many crack will be there. According you, as it, you will write down and check your question answer. Okay, according given answer, see and observe. Okay, my dear student. Next, I hope do you understand? And after, yes, counting of your according your proper answer and see and observe and marks should be, yes, the upper side on your test copy. Yes, you will write there from according to as it. Question number first 4 mark, question number 2 4 mark, question number 3 6 marks, and question number 4, yes, 6 marks. So total is 20 marks. So yes, after calculations, see, you will observe there properly and return marks. Okay, as it in your test copy and check. Okay, one by one, see and observe properly. I hope do you understand? Yes, my dear students, see and observe. This is your answer sheet. Okay, please match the answer according your written test. I hope do you understand? Next, yes, another this part we will discuss part 4, page number 14 to 17. So now one by one see and observe. Next, okay, yes, yes, the page number 14 we will discuss now here. Page number 14, yes, see and observe. Yes, one by one as it, yes, the first now here. So yes, what was the name of the first artificial satellite to go around the earth? Yes, Sputnik was the name. Another second is that, yes, the name India's the first scientific satellites Aryabhata. Is that clear? Another now here name, you will see here the first animal to be launched in a space, Laika. Is that clear? Another is, now you will see the name, India the first successful moon mission is Chandrayaan first, and another is the name of the first human being to go space, yes, Yuri Gagarin. Okay, Yuri Gagarin. Is that another? Name the first woman. Yes, now in the travel in space. Yes, Valentina. Yes, you will see here Valentina Tereskova. Yes, Tereskova. Valentina Tereskova now here is that. See and observe. Next. Yes, another page. Page number as 15 now here. See and observe. Yes. Okay, my dear students, see and observe properly. Now, name the first woman to stay in space for a long time. Yes, Sunita Williams. Another, name the first woman of the Indian origin travel in space, Kalpana Chawla. And another is name Indian the first mission to Mars, Mangalyaan. Who was the first space tourist in the world? Dennis Tito. Okay. Another name the, yes, spacecraft that carry the Neil Armstrong to moon, Apollo. Yes, Apollo 11. Name the first country to send a man to the moon, United States or America. Is that United States of America, USA? Okay, see and observe. Do you understand? All of you, according as it, you will write down in your book as it. Okay, both exercise, this exercise and another exercise. Yes, as it, you will write down in your book. Okay, yes, as it in your book, page number 14 and 15. As it, you will write down in your book. Okay, my dear students, see and observe another next. Now here we will discuss. Now here is, according to here, first of all you will read, yes, the cities name in the left column are situated on the banks of the some famous river. Okay, and match the cities to the rivers. According here, so many cities are written as it, and you will observe one by one, see and observe carefully and match the another A column to another B column. This is just like is A, C and as it. Okay, another is B as it, see and observe. So first of all, yes, observe. Now Agra, yes, as it. First of all, write down here, you will, all of you, according to code. Code is that now here 3 8 1 6 2 9 10 4 7 5. As it, helping code, you will write down after word, as it in front of word, another side also, A column side also, yes, in front also, code as it, write down from your helping list, CEACEHJDIBFG. As it, you will write down in your book. Then we will match first of all according to as it. Now see and observe. Where? Agra. Yes, Agra. Yes, see and observe. Now here. Yes, where? This is Agra. Okay. Yes. See, observe Agra. Okay. As it, you will observe here Agra. And where? In front of C, as it written here C. Yes. And now here this is C. Okay. Yamuna. And the answer is now here as it. Now code is 1. So what will come? Yes, the Agra where situated? River bank of Yamuna. Ahmedabad is situated. Yes, you will see another. Yes, Sabarmati. So one by will discuss according to that. See and observe. Yes, Agra where situated? You will see. Yes, Yamuna. Ahmedabad situated? Sabarmati. Allahabad situated? Ganga. Kolkata situated? You will see Hooghly. Godavari situated? Yes, you will see. Yes, where? Now here, see and observe. One by one, I will repeat again. Yes, where situated? Agra. Tell me. River bank of Yamuna. Ahmedabad situated river bank of Sabarmati. Allahabad situated river bank of Ganga. Kolkata situated river bank of Hooghly. Guwahati situated river bank of Brahmaputra. Varanasi situated river bank of, yes, Ganga. And Ajwain situated where? You will see Shipra. Roch situated, you will see Namda. Nasik situated, you will see Godavari. And Tiruchirappalli situated where? You will see, yes, Kaveri. Is that clear? See and observe one by one, my dear student. Yes, you will see here according to given. Yes, code by you will do as it very easily. Okay, how do you understand? According to me, yes, as it you will revise. First of all, write down these given the code also as it 38162 910 475 as it in front of word. Okay, another side A part also you will write down as CEAHJDIVFG as it. So that is easy for you. Yes, and you will revise according to me and that easily match to another A side to B side both. Okay, so very easily you will do. See and observe. Next. Down already a comment is written is there. The river of Ganga has the source. Yes, in the Gangotri glacier in the Himalaya. Yes, the origin place of Ganga is, yes, river Ganga is origin place Gangotri. Okay, and nearby Gangotri another place not written here, but I will give you information for, yes, Gomukh place will be there, that in the Himalaya. Okay, and now where situated? State of Uttarakhand. Okay, and now here another nearby state Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand. Yes, nearby. See and observe. Next. Yes. Now how do you understand? See and observe inside the body. We will discuss here according to this. See, observe. Some commandment written. Fill in the missing letter to the answer these questions. Yes. What is? One by one see and observe. Yes. Okay. First. What are the two holes in your nose called? Nostrils. Okay. Another second. Yes. What is the name of? The long pipe that shifts food from the back of your or down your stomach. Okay. So fungus. Okay. Another third. What do you call bone around your chest and protect your organ as a heart? Yes, rib. What is rib? Okay. Another, your tongue. Yes, home it is special structure and allowed to you that now here. So there are so many small, so sweet, bitter and salty, and or they are called tasty birds. Okay. Yes. And next, why do you call the flow of the blood through your in your heart around your body? Circulation. Okay. Without heart will not possible circulation. Yes, of blood in your human body. In human body is that, okay, in your body. And which body organ is made of cardiac muscle? Heart. How many chamber are in the human heart? 4. Which is the, now here see and observe and remove the waste product from the human body. Excretive system. Another, which is the largest joint the human body? Yes, knee. Okay. Another is see and observe. Remain is here downside. Yes. Okay. Which organ in the human body is also called the voice box? Larynx. Is that clear? See and observe according here. So many pictures are here related to heart, study organ. Okay. And now larynx also will be there. See and observe according to inside our body. The most important, my dear students, see observe as it you will write down as it in your book. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now here you will see. Yes. Here missing letter will be there. So now according you will see as it you will write down here. See in your book just like you will see here. Okay. Now here in this word, yes, N OSTRILS. So now here O missing is here, S missing here, R missing here, I missing here, and L missing here. As it you will write down. So as it, another word also, another missing letter also, as it you will write down in your book, my dear student. See and observe very clearly, and do you understand, I hope. Yes, and the downside, one commandments. Yes, for knowledge about here. At the word, the human body has around 300 bones. How many bones? 300 bones. By the adult, some bones fused together, and we end up now, after all, after fusing. Yes, now number of bones. Yes, 206 bone only. So yes, in adult now 206 bonds will be there. So I hope to understand clearly this topic inside the body for knowledge. I have to understand, see and observe. Thank you, my dear student. If first of all, now in this video you will see test answer key, and now observe properly answer and match your test copy. And now here another page number 14 to 17 already given exercise. As it you will do properly. I have to understand, my dear student. If any problem, then next time I will repeat and revise will be another topic. So now first of all, see and observe carefully. I hope do you understand. Complete your work. Given exercise here as a written answer in your book, you will do very carefully in your book. Okay, see and observe. Thank you, my dear students.